kick, throw, throw, jump, jump, clap, clap, run, run, walk, walk, right, right, swim, swim, read, read, dance, dance. Pop quiz in present tense. Instead of jump, we say jumping to mean someone is jumping right now in this moment. The man is A. Walking, B. Throwing, C. Running, D. Reading. C. Running. The man is A. Reading, B. Swimming, C. Writing, D. Kicking. D. Kicking. The man is A. Clapping, B. Writing, C. Reading, D. Walking. B. Writing. The woman is A. Walking, B. Jumping, C. Dancing, D. Swimming. D. Swimming. The man is A. Walking, B. Clapping, C. Running, D. Throwing. A. Walking. The woman is A. Swimming, B. Kicking, C. Dancing, D. Writing. C. Dancing. The man is A. Writing, B. Kicking, C. Throwing, D. Reading. D. Reading. The kids are A. Throwing, B. Kicking, C. Jumping, D. Dancing. A. Throwing. The people are A. Reading, B. Swimming, C. Walking, D. Clapping. D. Clapping. The kids are A. Dancing, B. Jumping, C. Running, D. Kicking. B. Jumping.